Hello, today we will guide you through how to unblock Cloudflare on Chrome. To begin, open Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is on screen, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. We'll be working directly in Chrome's built-in settings, so there's no need to visit any external page for this process. Next, move to the top right corner of the Chrome window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main Chrome menu, and it gives you access to browser controls, history, extensions, and settings. If you don't immediately see what you need, make sure the browser window is maximized so the menu is easy to spot. From that menu, click Settings. This opens Chrome's main settings page, where you can manage how the browser handles privacy, browsing data, permissions, and security behavior. Since Cloudflare blocks can sometimes be related to saved browser data, this is where we need to make the adjustment. Once you're in Settings, look for Privacy and Security and click into it. This section controls the data Chrome stores while you browse, including cookies, cached files, and other site activity. If Cloudflare is showing repeated checks, access issues, or challenged pages, clearing this data can often help remove anything outdated or conflicting. In Privacy and Security, click Delete. Depending on your Chrome version, this may appear as an option related to deleting browsing data or clearing stored information. The goal here is to open the screen where Chrome lets you remove browsing history, cookies, and cached files. When that window appears, click the Time Range dropdown and choose All Time. This is important because it ensures Chrome clears all potentially problematic stored data, not just recent activity. If you only clear the last hour or last day, the issue may remain if the conflicting data is older. After selecting All Time, click Delete again to confirm. Chrome will then begin removing the stored browsing data. This may take a few moments, especially if a lot of data has built up over time. Let the process finish completely before closing the window. Once it's done, you can return to your browser and try loading the website again. In many cases, this resolves Cloudflare-related access problems by removing old cookies or cached security checks that were interfering with the connection. If needed, you can also restart Chrome afterward to make sure the changes fully apply. That's it. You've now gone through the process to help unblock Cloudflare on Chrome.